All right, yo, got a delivery today. This is gonna be sweet. So here's what we got. We got the T-Rex grill with the T-Rex bumper insert. That grill takes place of the whole stock grill. So it's this is just going to be pulled out, and that bumper insert fits right there. It's almost like they didn't put anything there on purpose, just so you can fit a nice billet piece there. So that's what's up. So it should look pretty good. Truck's pretty freaking dirty. Again, all the bugs, but whatever. I'm gonna install it. So I chose the T-Rex billet grill. There's tons of different ones out there, but I chose the T-Rex one because actually my brother was the first one that actually, he was the first one with his first Cummins. He came over after he got the grill installed, and I was like, damn, that thing looked badass. It just makes it look completely different. Makes it look way more aggressive, and you'll be able to tell when I replace it. But on his truck, it looked so good. So I was like, hell yeah, I knew I wanted to get that. I just, I don't know, caught up doing other things to the truck. So finally I was able to purchase that with the bumper insert, which the bumper insert, I've never seen it on a truck in person before. I've only seen pictures, and dude, it looks so good. So I'm super stoked on that too. So it shouldn't take me this long, or it shouldn't take me that long to install this. The original grill, so this should just pop right out. Should be like a couple clips or something, or maybe a couple screws. I haven't even looked at it yet. And then the bumper insert, it'll just get installed with some brackets and be held in there. So one of the other things that you can do as far as like RAM with the Dodges and stuff is you can get 4 little billet pieces that go in here, and they just overlay on top, but you can still see the background through the billet pieces. So I wasn't really trying to go for that look. Or you could cut it out. You could cut these pieces out with like a little Dremel or something. But I also didn't want to do that either, because if I end up not liking this grill, then I could just snap this whole piece back in there and sell that and get my money back. So I don't know. That's just the way I think about things sometimes, or actually like 90% of the time. Whenever I do something, it's always, can you get your money back if you don't like it? Can you put it back to stock? Can you? So if I were to get the 4 individual pieces and leave the crossbar in there, I wouldn't be able to do that. So and that's just how I think about things. That's how I think about things all the time. Like, not even with cars or trucks or anything like that. I think about it like that with everything. So you always just want to make sure if you don't like something, you can get your money back and put it back the way it was. So yeah, let me take a look at these installation instructions. Shouldn't be that bad. And I'm gonna time lapse this real quick. I'll just time lapse the installation and stuff, and if I come up on anything that you guys need to know while installing it, I'll stop the time lapse, let you guys know, and then continue on. But yeah, should be pretty quick. Okay, so in here, there's 4 clips holding the radiator cover on. You just have to pop those clips real quick. And then it's 4 10mm bolts that hold the top of this grill in. And then there are some plastic clips that hold it in on the bottom. So just remove these top clips, remove the radiator cover, remove the 4 10mm bolts on top, and then pull up and out, and we should be good to go. All right? you have to install. It comes with this bracket. It comes with these U-clips. This bracket installs behind the bumper, and it's gonna go right here. So it's gonna go like that, and this is a mounting point for the grill. So it has these U-clips that you just place on there, and then it comes with a nice bolt, a big washer, and then a lock washer and a nut for the other side. And you feed them through the holes. There's already pre-drilled holes in there, and you just mount it and let it go. I just want to point something out to you guys. Look at how snug that is. See how close that is? Okay. Same on this side. So what I had to do was, when I was putting the grill in, I had a little bit of trouble just fitting it, right? So I was like, what the hell? It would fit on one side and not the other. So this side was cool, but if you look, I don't know, you probably can't tell on the camera, but the headlight is a little bit to the left of the body line right there. I don't know if you could tell or not. But, so on this side, it wasn't. And that was just like it had to have been something that just came from the factory. It was like, I would say like a 1/16 of an inch off, and this grill is so tight that it would not snug up in there. So what I had to do, there's a little nut up here. I just loosened it, and I was able to move the headlight like an 1/8 of an inch over, and then the grill fit perfectly in there. And I love it. Look how huge it makes that front end look. Oh my gosh. That is so nice. So good. Everything fits all tight. It just gives the truck a whole different look. Like, damn. I'm gonna wash it and then I'll show you guys tomorrow, but damn, that thing looks aggressive. Look at that. Wow. All right, onto the bumper insert. Finished product. Dude, that looks so good. So good. One of the only issues I had in here was, let's see if the camera will pick it up. Oh no, the camera doesn't pick it up. But there's Z brackets. There's one right here, and one right here. And they mount to the back of the top of the bumper. So they come down, over, and down, and then you mount the grill to that. The only issue I had was I had to take the bracket that I had to mount for the main grill. I had to loosen the bottom of that bracket so I could fit the bolt and everything back facing this way so I could mount the middle Z bracket. But that thing, dude, looks super clean. Without the billet piece in the bumper, I just think it looks vacant. It just looks like something is supposed to be there. Now, it just looks super aggressive. I love it. That was one thing I've wanted to do for a while, but I did not know I was gonna do the bumper insert until I was looking for the grill, and then I saw the insert too, so I was like, oh shit, all right, I'm gonna do that too. And don't mind the music. I always have to have music on when I'm out here working on stuff and all that. Sometimes I forget to turn it down. It really reminds me of like when I was a little kid and stuff, just being in the garage with my dad and all that. We always had music going. Yeah, it just takes me back a little bit. Don't mind it being all dirty and everything, all the fingerprints and all that. I'm gonna clean this thing up, but yeah, this thing looks so aggressive. Holy shit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram too, because I posted, when I got this, I posted it on my stories and stuff like that, so you could kind of get ahead if you want on Instagram and stuff on like what I'm doing and shit like that. Let me know what you guys think. All right, take it easy.